Hi everyone, in today's how-to video, I'll tell you how you can change the nominee details for your NPS accounts, either Tier 1 or Tier 2, online. You don't have to go to any office to your bank where your NPS account is located to do that. So the first thing that you need to do is to go and log into your NPS account. So how you do that is to search for CRANSTL site. I'll share the link to this site in the video description, so you don't have to search for it. Then log into your NPS account online, right? So I put in my user ID and my password and then my captcha, and I'm inside the NPS dashboard. So to change the nominee details, you need to go and click on demographic changes and update personal details. And after some time you will see a number of options. You need to click on update, add or update nominee details. You can update and add nominee details for both Tier 1 and Tier 2. Since I have both Tier 1 and Tier 2, I need to actually change the nominee details for my Tier 2 account. So I'll click on Tier 2 details, and you will see a message saying that this nominee detail updation online, it requires OTP authentications, and you also need to ensure that your mobile number is registered with CRA, which is the authority which manages the NPS accounts overall, and the Aadhaar service provider UIDAI for OTP authentication. So the nomination happens through online Aadhaar authentication and e-sign using the OTP. So that needs to be, you need to make sure that the name that you have within your NPS account and the Aadhaar number and the Aadhaar match, as well as of course the numbers, your phone numbers match as well. To do that, click on confirm. Then you will be shown a form where you can change all the details for your nominee. Of course, there are some fields which are necessary, for example the first name, the surname, right? So I need to change that surname here, and things like major, minor, relationship and percentage share is mandatory. If the nominee is a minor, you will have to fill in the first name, last name and middle name of a guardian as well. You also need to fill in the address details of the nominee, which I'm doing right now. Now there's a word limit in each of these fields, so you'll have to put it in separate fields and say save. Now you can have more than one nominee, and that's why you see the add button there, but since it's just one nominee for me, I have just clicked on save. Once you do that, you will see various places where you made changes, and those are highlighted in red color. Alright, so those are the changes that need to be made, and those are the changes that I need to get done. So that's why those are highlighted in red. If you want to make more changes, you can go and click on modify button again. Otherwise, you click on submit. And you will get an OTP to submit or request for these changes. Right, so I'll enter the OTP that has been received on my registered mobile number. You say submit OTP. After which you need to actually e-sign this request, right? So basically you need to e-sign and download, and as I mentioned, you need to make sure that the name provided during PRAN registration, the name that you have in your NPS account should match with Aadhaar records to e-sign for this modification request to be successful, right? So mine is already there. There's also a charge of around 5 rupees 90 paise plus taxes for the e-sign, so you'll have to pay that as well. Okay. Once you click on that, you will be taken to NSDL e-sign page, wherein you will have to authorize for the e-signature and also enter your Aadhaar details. I'll enter my Aadhaar details now. Okay, and after which you will be sent an OTP. Now, one thing that you must have noted is that the charges that are mentioned, right, the 5 rupees, the 6 rupees charges for the e-signature have not been debited now. They'll be debited at a later stage from your NPS accounts automatically. You need to enter the Aadhaar number, the OTP as well, and click on verify OTP. Post which it will take some time for the e-signature to happen. That's it. When you are done doing that, you go back to the main menu and check your account again after a couple of days. I would suggest that you wait for around a week or so, after which the changes will be reflecting in your NPS account. Hope you found this video informational and useful. Keep coming back and subscribe to my channel. Keep coming back to watch more such videos. Have a nice day.